Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And today I have kind of a big haul because I put like the Halloween from the regular Target and then some that I picked up from the Target dollar spot. Alright, so I think I'm going to start with the Target dollar spot, show you what I picked. I didn't pick up a lot of things. I don't film for you guys there because my Target is a mess. My Target dollar spot, every time I go, it's just a mess. Everything's just random. It's picked over. So whoever knows the days, and they're just taking everything. So I didn't really find a lot of things, which I had a few things on my eye, but I just couldn't find it. And if you hear the squeaking, that is Trixie squeaking on her little toy, and she just won't stop. That's a little toy. Actually, that's a toy they gave. She's had it since she was just born. So she loves it, and she just keeps making that sound. All right. So, okay, anyway, what I was saying, oh yeah, my Target is, that's why I don't film for you guys. I'm sorry, I would love to film. I always go there, but it's just so messy. I just can't film for you guys. Everything is just random places. All right, so I'm going to start with the Target dollar spot. And you can see my friend back there. Spooky. All right, so let me just start. First, I found this little broom, which I think is so cute. I'm gonna just decorate with this inside. And then I picked up some straws. I wanted the stir sticks. Everything is so gone. So I'm like upset, but I keep going. Maybe it'll turn up because it happens. They bring in things like slowly, I guess. Not slowly, but they just bring in just random, like things that they had previous, and I don't know, they get shipment. So I'm always looking. Maybe I'll find my little things that I want. Okay, and then I found these cute little shot glasses. They're skeletons I love, but I'm gonna make little shot Jello shots for my kids for Halloween in these. So these are cute. I picked up the witch's shoes, but I didn't leave them gold. I painted them white because it's more for my decor, but they're so cute. I just love them. I was looking for these. So I got a little like a Sharpie oil paint, and I just went over it and made the gold white. I like it gold too, but I just wanted, I was doing like a black and white kind of like a theme. I picked up this tree. I just love this tree. You know, it was $3, so why not? And I just love how spooky it looks. And this, you can just decorate with these trees and your house is gonna look spooky. You don't even have to get anything else. Just these trees alone will make it spooky. So I just love these. I got 2 of these. Then I picked up this Beware. I just love this. It's cute. It is black and white. That's why I wanted the shoes to be black and white. So it opens up. I thought this was cute. Want to say hi? Trixie wants to say hi. Say hi. Say hi, guys. She's getting big already. Then I found this candle. It does smell good. It's in a cauldron. So yeah, I love witches' cauldrons, right? That's what they're called. And I just love them. This is a candle. And it does smell good, and it's so cute. You can just prop it anywhere. So I like that. And I'm a sucker for a cauldron. I always get, if I see one, I'm always buying it. I just love it. And I want to show you the other one in the Target dollar spot that I picked up. This one. This one was, I think, $5. It's pretty big. It is glass, which I like. And I'm going to fill it up with candy. So this is really cute. You can fill it up with like skeleton heads, anything, but like I told you, I'm a sucker. Whenever I see one, I buy it. I already have one that's a bigger one, but I saw this and I had to buy it. And then I found the pumpkins that I've been looking for. These, I put them in a basket, but I got one black one for Halloween. I don't even know if they had any more. I'm not sure, but I'm on the lookout for them. Any color, but they did have these. So I picked the black one, and then I picked these colors. It's a light green, a cream, and then like this darker green. Those are the colors that I picked for, you know, like the fall colors. But what I wanted to tell you, stem like this is for the Halloween. You see the tag? And then the stem like this was for the fall. But I'm really liking the Halloween stem better. I don't know. But these are the ones I only found. I found more of the fall pumpkins, but I'm just loving the ones for Halloween. The Halloween ones, the white is really white. I think the one for fall is more like a cream. And I just think they're so cute and fun. Then I picked up these bowls. I'm loving these bowls. We do eat cereal out of this, but it's only hand washed, but I just love how they look because my kids, they just love to like enjoy the holiday and they like to eat out of these ghosts and these. So I got 4 and I'm gonna just show you. I like to decorate with these too and how I like to stack them up. Okay, right here, I wanna stack them up like this. That's what I envisioned. So I thought these were really cute. I'm loving them and I'm going with like a ghost theme this year, black and white. So when I saw these, I was like, yes, I'm buying them. I did get these. I just love them. This reminds me like of a witch, the witch's socks, or so I love them. And it says trick or treat in there. So these are really cute. I think they had these bowls last year. I'm not sure, but I think so. So that's enough for the Target dollar spot. Let me just show you what I got at the regular Target for Halloween. I don't know if I'm done, but this is what I got so far. I love Halloween. Let's start with this guy. I got this skeleton. I think he's so spooky, but I got one last year too. So I bought one this year and I dressed him up. This is, I think, a butler outfit. So yeah, he's dressed in the butler outfit. It's all Target. So, and this little hair comes with the outfit too. So I think it's so cute. And I can't wait to decorate with the skeletons. So I got to take out my last year one. I bought the same one. I might dress her up like a girl. I don't know, a girl or a bride. Let's see. You guys are going to see. I got this pumpkin from the Target dollar spot. I just thought it was so cute and I just loved it because it reminded me of my childhood. That's how I drew the pumpkins. That's how the pumpkins were, their faces, like exactly like this. So I had to buy it. I'm going to give it to the skeleton. All right, got this book. You know I love books for decorating, so I picked this, and it's good so I can store things after, you know, Halloween. I could put stuff in there. I got another book last year like this too, so that's why I got this. And then I got this, You've Been Booed. So I got booed a lot of times, so I'm booing someone this year. So I thought this was cute. Just put the candy in here and boo someone. They had other things too, like games, other stuff for booing, a lot more stuff. Which I like the games. I'm thinking of getting because I think my kids would like after trick-or-treating to come home and play some games with their friends. So I think I'm going to be going back for some games. I picked this up. I just loved it. It said pumpkin potion juice. I thought the pumpkin was cute on top. So I like this. I don't decorate with gold too much, but I don't care. This was too cute to pass up. Okay, and then I got this jar. I just love it. You could put the Halloween candy. You could do anything. Craftomaniac puts her coffee in here, which I thought that was great. I see it on Instagram. She showed it. So that's another idea. And so cute. I just love this because this is for like Halloween and it can go for fall too. So that's what I love. Then I got this pumpkin. It opens up. My kids opened it up already. And it's, I think it was like 200 pieces of candy. I don't even remember. But 175, I think. I don't know. So anyway, I thought this was a cute idea, and you could use this to put the candy for the trick-or-treaters or even for decor. And what I like about this, it opens up. It's pretty big. I'm going to store some Halloween things in here, you know, after Halloween. So this was cute. So most of the candy are gone. My kids ate it, not just them, but like their friends. And so it's kind of like the candy's gone, but I don't care. I can fill it up with other candy for Halloween. I don't know if I got this at the Target dollar spot. Oh yeah, I think I did. I got this at the Target dollar spot too. It's spider web. You always need spider webs. You can even just do spider webs and this. And so all you need is just this web and these trees and you'll be set. You can make a whole spooky scene. You don't need like all these stuff. Oh wait, I got something else at Target dollar spot. So I got these letters. So I'm thinking of using these letters on their Christmas stockings. So if you see these letters, you can use that for that, which I thought it was cute. I forgot about that one. I want to show you these. These were so delicious. If you come across these and you like pumpkin seeds and pumpkin everything, these are so delicious. I love them. I ate them all. Then I got ghost peeps. You know I'm loving the ghost this year, so I had to get ghost peeps. I wish it was a bigger pack, but I just found this little tiny one. Then I got this. They have a lot of baking stuff and for Halloween, if you don't want to do it from scratch, and I think this is a good alternative, and I think it's so fun, so I'll be making these soon. Follow me on Instagram, you'll see when I make these, and I'll post them. So if you want to see a lot more things from me, like cooking baking. Follow me on Instagram, Keeping Up with Miss Electra. Don't forget, I do a lot of stuff there. Different stuff than here. All right, so that's it for this haul, for my Halloween haul. I didn't get too much. If I get more, I will show you. I will show you when I do my Halloween house tour. But don't forget, the fall is coming up, my fall home tour, trying to get everything ready because I really want to decorate for Halloween. So I want to show you guys that video and then just start decorating for Halloween. So if you like this video and you like Halloween and you like the things I got, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get subscribed and see the stuff I do here. All right, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.